Hey guys, Kevin here, and this is Pure Reviews, where I review all kinds of products. So if you are new to the channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button. And in particularly, if you find this video useful or helpful, be sure to hit that like button before you go. Maybe leave a comment that simply says thanks. Really helps out the channel a ton, and I greatly appreciate it. So today's product is available on Amazon, and I've included a link in the description that will take you directly to the product page where you can see the current price point, see if it's on sale, all that lovely information. But what is it? It is a wireless digital microscope by a company called KMDES. This is the box that it comes in once you order it. Once you open it up, you're naturally going to get a user manual that tells you how to operate it and all the features. We're going to cover a lot of those right here in the video. You are going to get a little clear calibration card that you can utilize to make sure it is working perfect. You will get a USB to USB Type-C cable here. You can utilize this to charge up the microscope, or you can also plug this directly into the computer and utilize it that way. You're going to get a little lens cap that go over the microscope itself, and then you're going to get the microscope in the stand. Super easy to assemble. You're just basically going to slide this little rod right here. But why I like this, it has some rubber feet here, so it doesn't slide around. It has a nice little plate here to lay whatever you are looking at. It even has the clips here to make sure it doesn't move around or blow. If you're outside. It does also have a measuring on the side, so that way you can judge on the size of the object. But one of the nice things is because of the stand here, like with a microscope that's handheld, you always have a little shake, especially when you zoom in the magnification. It's hard to get a nice clear footage of what you are looking at, where with the stand here, you don't have that problem. And it's super lightweight and easy to move around. So some other features of the stand, there is a dial on the back that is going to allow you to raise and lower the microscope as you need. Then there is also a side knob that is also going to allow you to raise and lower, so you can really fine tune how you wish. And then on the other side, it's going to allow you to lock it in place, so that way it doesn't accidentally move up and down. And then you have the microscope in the middle. It is removable. There is a little dial right on the front. Just go ahead and undo that, and then you can take out the microscope, which actually then you can utilize it in handheld mode if you wish. Just note that, once again, that goes back to that shaking problem. On the microscope itself, on the back side, is where you will plug it in with the USB cable. So like I mentioned, this has a battery built into it, which makes it super portable and super easy to utilize. One of the big features I love about it, it's only a 700 mAh battery though. So what does that mean? If you have the LED lights on at full blast, you're going to get about an hour and a half usage. However, if you don't have the LEDs and you're just utilizing the microscope, you're going to get about 4 hours out of it. So you get plenty of time to do whatever you're needing to do, and then just plug it in when you're not utilizing it. And go from there. Now, on the front side, you do have the power button. You're just going to simply hold that down, and it will turn the device on. You'll know it's on because the lights will automatically come on. Then below that, you have the camera button. The camera button is basically going to allow you to take a picture or do the footage, start doing the recording by simply tapping that button. Now, this thing can be connected to your cell phone, whether it is a iPhone device or an Android device. You can connect it via the Unilab app. However, you can also utilize the software on your Windows or Mac PC. So you have versatile ways of utilizing this microscope. You can use your phone, tablet, or your computer. Basically, it is up to you via the Unilab app. Now, as far as the back side, you're going to have two sun icons. The one with the more lines, that is going to make it brighter. The one with just the 4 lines is going to give you that dimming option. So it has 3 dimming options, and then the 4th one will turn off the lights. To turn it back on, just hit the top sun. Now there is a little dial at the front. That is going to be your focusing dial. So once you got it all in the position, so let's say you're looking at some coins, and once you get into the position you want, then you can tweak the focus by turning the dial at the tip there, which is very easy. So it's very versatile when it comes to all those functions. Now, like I said, whether you're using this for coins, you're looking at jewelry, maybe you're looking at computer parts, or you want to use it as a teaching tool and looking at insects or leaves or anything like that, it's very versatile. You can set all that right on the stand, which is absolutely perfect. Now, it does do those photos and video. So if you're taking a picture, it's going to be a standard JPEG format. If you're doing video, it's going to be the AVI format. So those are the formats that it utilizes. But overall, it's a great little microscope. If you are looking for something that is easy to use, very portable, stable, I think this guy is totally worth checking out. If there is something that I didn't quite cover that you're a little curious about, feel free to hit me up in the comment section. I do typically respond to those. That is it till the next video. You guys, take it easy. Congrats, you made it to the end of the video. Thank you very much. Greatly appreciated for the support. Be sure to hit that like button on the video. It really, really does help out. And if you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit the notification bell if you want to get notified when new videos come out on this channel.